Okay, कौन commander बने? Okay, you just number 1. Okay, just number 1. This is your task. And task is like this, that this I am giving you some briefing. This ground is out of bound for you and out of bound for your luggage as well. Got it? And you have seen this half red and half white brick. This half red and half white brick is inbound for your luggage. That you can place planks on this brick, but you cannot step on this brick. This is out of bound for you and out of bound for your group. Got it? Come forward. Then you have seen this full red brick. This full red brick means that this is out of bound for you and out of bound for your luggage. Got it? That you cannot step on this, your group cannot step on this, and you cannot place luggage on this full red brick as well. Okay. Then you have seen this half red and half white brick. This half red and half white brick means that this is again same for that, inbound for your luggage but out of bound for you and as well as your group. And you have seen this full white brick. This is inbound for you and inbound for your luggage as well. You can step on this as well and you can place your luggage also. But one thing to be kept in mind, that this ground is out of bound for you, out of bound for your luggage and out of bound for your group as well. And one thing to be kept in mind, that throwing and jumping is not allowed. Got it? And you are restricted. You cannot take suggestion from anyone in your group. Okay? You have 1.5 minutes for making some plans. Then you can call your group. Okay. Carry on. And yes, sir, this is your start point. Sir, this is your finish point. Sir, you have to cross these hurdles, sir, along with this luggage and along with your group. Sir. Okay? Sir. There is no restricted time. Okay? Carry on. Your voice should be louder and lucid.
Align it left. This is our command task. And we are right.
You will say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is our task, and then you will give briefing. Okay? Don't forget to say Bismillah. Okay.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is our command task. This is the starting point.
Speak louder,
and
lucid.
Finishing point.
Speak louder, lucid, and slow. Okay? That they will get you. समझ आए इनको एक दफा ही. Got it? तो इनमें से कोई ऐसा लड़का ये ना कहे कि कमांडर साहब प्लीज रिपीट योर ब्रीफिंग. ओके? All for you all. You should not ask your commander that sir please repeat this. Okay? एक दफा सुनो, गौर से सुनो.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our command task. This is the starting point, and last one is the
Louder, Commander Saab.
And last one is the end point. We are 3 types of bricks. First one is full red bricks, which is out of bound for us as well as for our luggages. This is half red and half white brick, which is out of bound for us as well as inbound for our luggages. And full white bricks is inbound for us as well as for our luggages. Now we start the plan.
Commander, you can give briefing in Urdu. You can give in English as well. You can give briefing in Urdu as well. Okay, carry on.
Now we start the plan. This is chest number 1. Chest number move first move, and second one move chest number 2. Then we begin. So chest number 1. Take this weight and place it.
You all should observe that what's going on. Okay?
Yes, sir. Don't touch it.
कमांडर साहब एक चीज का ख्याल रखना है, फाउल ना हो.
Sir.
नहीं तो मैं आपको फाउल बना दूंगा.
Chest number 1, move forward.
Your voice is not louder.
Chest number 1, move forward. Yes. Chest number 2, give this plank. Not this plank. This plank. Yes, place it. Must be placed. Blue. Stand like gentleman. Pass to benefit. Not move. Yes, move forward.
Okay, if this can touch, it's okay because this is not fine plan.
Yes, sir, do. Move forward and place. Move forward and place. Yes. Give it and pass it. So test number 1. Test number 1, press it. Yes, it is.
This aggressive, this is short.
Sir.
This is your commanding, yes? Hurry up, blink. You have plenty of time. I want you to complete this task.
Test number 1.
Shouldn't I have told you that you will arrange your luggage before this command task?
Sir. And must be at this way. Yes. Must be this.
Is not this touching the ground?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Remove it.
Sir.
You bring that large plank. जब आपको पता था
Sir.
कि उस प्लैंक की जरूरत पड़ेगी तो आपने उस टाइम पे वो क्यों नहीं रखा?
Sir, वो पूरा हो रहा था गाड़ी से.
Is this not better than this?
Sir.
Okay, use it. Hurry up.
Yes.
Why you are coming to that finish point? You are not allowed to come to that finish point. Head back. Hurry up.
Sir.
Who are commanding?
Yes, yes. Don't touch the ground. Foul again. Recover it. Currently. Yes. It is not flexible. Recover it.
वर्ड साहब,
Yes.
आप इस ब्रिक को देख रहे हैं?
Sir.
क्या इस ब्रिक पे प्लैंक नहीं लग सकता?
Sir, balance नहीं होता. Okay. Sir.
बैलेंस करें फिर, जल्दी करें.
Take this bag at this place. Yes.
हमारे साथ टाइम कम है आपके पास.
Sir.
हरी अप.
Yes. 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 Wait. Yes. Okay. Yes, this bag is passing through. Come to pass up and place it.
हरी अप, टाइम है शॉर्ट.
Yes, yes, sir. You can move.
वर्ड
Yes, sir, I
साहब,
do. Sir.
have I not told you that jumping is not allowed?
Sir. Sir, this is the folder. Wait. Yes, you can move. Yes. Yes, that's number 4. Just number 2. Move forward. Just number 5. Just number 3. Move forward. Slowly.
वर्ड साहब,
Sir.
have you given him the instructions that to cross further as well?
No, sir.
Then why you have crossed? Are you not listening to your commander?
I'm listening, sir.
Then why you have crossed this second plank as well? Must listen to the instructions carefully. Got it? Don't argue. Yes.
Yes.
Next.
Just number 4. Move it.
Move ahead.
Move ahead.
Okay.
At white break.
Must listen to the instructions carefully. Okay. And why you are not asking this man to come ahead, this man to come there? He should balance this plank.
Just
Carry
number
on.
5.
Carry
Move
on. Hurry
ahead.
up.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Just number 6. Yes.
Yes.
Just number 4. Move ahead. Yes. Just number 4. Recover it. Next, move ahead. At that break. Transfer the right break. Test number 6. Move at the next place.
Martha, count you. Come and balance it. Now you move forward. Slowly. Jumping is not allowed.
Yes, next move.
Okay. Martha, what about luggage?
Sir, we must be.
Okay. Don't
Yes,
make any foul. Okay, pass
Sir.
this luggage to him.
Pass it.
पास
And foul.
पास ऐड हरी अप मार्टर साहब टाइम कम है आपके पास जल्दी करें इसको उठाएं कैसे उठाएंगे आप मार्टर साहब
Sir,
आपने एक मिस्टेक कमिट की है अगर आपने इसको पिक करना था आपको पता था कि आपने सामान लेके जाना है इस प्लैंक को आपको इस प्लैंक के ऊपर रखना चाहिए अभी आप इसको उठा सकते हैं किसी तरह भी उठा रहे आप ओके ग्राउंड इज इनबाउंड फॉर यू I said, once the ground is inbound for you. Okay, now pick up this plank, pass it overhead.
pass it.
Now ground is out of bound for you.
Sir.
Okay, wait.
Yes, move forward.
Ask this to move ahead. Jumping is not allowed.
Sir.
Okay, good. Okay, Commander Sahab,
Sir.
move ahead.
Sir.
Wait, pick up this plank.
Sir.
Pick up this plank. Yes, move ahead. Don't touch the ground.
Sir.
Get back.
Sir.
Maintain your balance. You maintain his balance. Stand on this plank and place that plank over here. Don't touch ground. Place this plank over here. Place this plank. Okay. Now pick this plank. Give him support. Don't touch the ground. Okay. Pass this plank. Okay. Now move ahead. Slowly. Jumping is not allowed. Don't touch the ground. Pick up this plank. Pass it. Done? Who are commanding? We are not observing the rules. Okay? Done? Okay. Done with it.